Hey Cutters, just a quick video today. A few questions have come up about what are the panel maximum panel dimensions that can be used on with different products if you utilize our generic engineering certs. And so there's a really easy way to check this for the different product ranges. So I'll just quickly show you what that is. Basically, what you want to do is you want to log into the EasyQuote customer portal. So you can go to the EasyQuote page. It's easyquote.clenergy.com/account/login, or just Google EasyQuote and you'll be able to find the page off Google. Once you get to the login page, you just want to enter the details here. So the standard customer login is just username customer, password with case sensitive Clenergy 2020, and then hit login. And then once you're in here, depending on the product range today, I'll have a look at the roof mount, but you can do the same as I'm going to do in the ground mount section. So you jump into the roof mount section here, and then just enter anything. You have to put something in this project name and customer name type, area. You can enter whatever you want, really. I'll just put T in there for now. Put your state in, and then you can select the product type that you're after. So I'll just run quickly through them and I'll show you and how to find the information about the maximum panel length, maximum panel width. So first of all, we'll go with tile. In here, you can select different tile interfaces, but the generic engineering cert covers all of them. And so then you click next over here. I'll take you to the next page, and then just see where you got these question marks next to the panel length and the panel width. This is where you'll find that info. So if you click on the question mark, you'll see max panel length 2200 mil. That's in millimeters. Max panel width 1200 millimeters. So then you can say, okay, if that's for tile, what about tin? So you go back to basic, the basic tab there. You click on tin in that case. And then you can do the same exercise again. So you come in here, it should be the same, 2200 for the length max, 1200 for the width max. Okay, so there's tin. You can go to tilts, and then you got all your tilts in here again. Click next again. Once again, 2200 max length for the length for the panels, and 1200 for the width. Cool. Let's check out tripods. And we'll go with a 30-degree. Okay, so tripods, we've got 1650, so that's a bit different. So the standard tripods max panel length is 1650, so really only suitable for 60 cell panels, the standard tripods under the generic engineering set. The max width is 1000 mil on those. Let's go back and have a look at the tripod lights. If you do want to use the tripods for a 72 cell panel, then you can go ahead and use these numbers here on the product code, the 135 and the 170. That refers to centimeters. And so the larger base, that's a 170 centimeter base. That's the one you'd want to use for your 72 cell panels. So let's check out the max panel dimensions on those ones. Okay, you can see here it jumps up now on the tripods to 2000 on that model and up to 1000 width. So there's your tripods. Let's look at clip lock here. Just clip lock flush, for example. You can do this with all the different clip locks on, all the different clip lock types. Maybe let's check out let's just check out the I-34, the new universal. And then you can, basically check it with all the different tin feet, or what else we got? Tilt legs, those sort of things. So let's just check out tin flush for this example. Okay, so back to 2200 for the max length and 1100 for the max width on that one. And lastly, I'll just have a quick look at commercial tilts. Let's see what we got here. Max length 2100 on the commercial tilts and width 1100. So yeah, hopefully that's of some help to you guys. If it was and you want to keep seeing more content, just hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll continue to come out with little tips and tricks for you guys moving forward. And remember to check out the Convos with Clenergy episodes that you'll find on the Clenergy YouTube page as well. It's an opportunity to meet some of the Clenergy staff, as well as I'm starting now to do some interviews with some people outside of Clenergy in the industry as well. I've got one coming up with Jack Longy Long as a starting point, and then there'll be many more to come. So thanks for your time, guys. Stay safe.